Hello friends, myself Archana Mogal from KTHM College Nasik, Department of Computer Science. Today we will discuss some topics in our Unit 2 Fundamentals of Fuzzy System. Now we will see some interesting topic, that is types of membership function, that is triangular membership function, trapezoidal function, then what is Cartesian product, how to represent the Cartesian product, then classical relations, then crisp relation, then operations on crisp relations, then what is the fuzzy relation, then operations on that fuzzy relation, and max-min composition. Triangular member function. Triangular member function is the most popularly member function, and it is the first membership function. Here, member function of x depends on the three parameters, that is a, b and c. Here the diagram shows. Triangular membership function have three values. The first value is from where it starts rising, and the second value is from where it starts decreasing, and the third value is where it becomes 0 again. The parameters a and c locate the feet of the triangle, and the parameter b locates the peak. Second member function is trapezoidal function. Trapezoidal function is defined by a lower limit a, an upper limit d, a lower support limit b, and an upper support limit is c, where a less than b, b less than c, c less than d. By a trapezoidal membership function, we mean the regular uncertain set fully determined by a quadruplet, that is a, b, c, d of crisp numbers. Then Gaussian function. This function is used to represent vague and linguistic terms. It is defined by a central value m. That means m is the center, and a standard deviation k greater than 0. The smaller k is the narrower the bell is. That means the Gaussian function looks like bell. Now we will see what is Cartesian product. Consider two sets A and B. What is Cartesian product? The set of all ordered pairs A comma B, where first element, that is A, belongs to first set, that is capital A, and first and B element belongs to set B, is called the Cartesian product. It is denoted by A cross B, and it is read as A cross B. A cross B is equal to curly bracket A comma B, such that A belongs to capital A and B belongs to capital B. In this way, we represent the Cartesian product. Let us one example. Let A is a one set and B is a second set. In set A contains the elements 2, 4, 6 and 8, and B contains the three elements, that is 1, 3 and 5. How to calculate the Cartesian product? First, you write it as A cross B is equal to, in curly bracket. Now we are going to take first element from set A, and we are going to perform ordered pair with all elements from second set. So we write here 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 4, then 4, 1, 4, 3 and 4, 5. Then third element from set A 6, 1, 6, 3, 6, 5, and last element from A 8, 1, 8, 3 and 8, 5. This way we have to calculate Cartesian product. Always remember one thing, that A cross B not equal to B cross A. Then next topic is classical relation. First, what is relation? Relation represents mappings between sets and connectives in logic. Mapping takes place which is expressed by an ordered pair, and this mapping is called as relation. What is classical relation? It is a binary relation or relation from A to B, and it is a subset of Cartesian product, that is A cross B. Suppose R is a relation from A to B, then R is a set of ordered pair where each first element comes from A and each second element comes from B. For each pair, A belongs to capital A and B belongs to capital B, there is exactly one of the following condition is true. A comma B belongs to R, that means A is related to B, and A comma B not belongs to R, that means A is not related to B. Then what is the domain and what is range? The domain of a relation R is the set of all first elements of the ordered pair which belongs to R, and range is the set of second elements of the ordered pair which belong to R. Let us see one example here. In that example, we will see how to perform number of relation on given Cartesian product and how to calculate domain and how to calculate range. Okay. Then let us see, there is two sets, set A and set B. Set A consists the element 1, 2 and 3 and B consists the element 2 and 3. First you have to calculate the Cartesian product A cross B. Then then perform relation on Cartesian product. You can make any number of relation on given Cartesian product. You can take first ordered pair in first relation. Now in relation 2, you can take two ordered pairs from A cross B. In relation 3, here 3 ordered pairs taken. Now suppose we have relation 3, R3 is equal to 3 ordered pairs. Then how to calculate domain range? Domain means, how to calculate domain? Domain means set of all first element ordered pairs. So here we have to take the first element from the first ordered pair 1. Next again 1 is come, so 1 is skipped here because element should not be repeated in set. Now next 2 is the first element of third ordered pair, so here 2 is taken. Now how to calculate range? Range means the set of second elements of ordered pairs. Okay, then you have taken 2 from the first ordered pair, then taken 3 from the second ordered pair, again 3 is repeated, so 3 is skipped here. Crisp relation. Crisp relation is a collection of ordered pairs. Mapping takes place here, which is expressed by an ordered pair, and this mapping is called as a relation. A subset of the Cartesian product A1 cross A2 cross dash 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 AR is called an R-array relation. The most common case is for R is equal to 2. The relation is a subset of the Cartesian product A1 cross A2, that is a set of pairs, the first coordinate from first set and the second coordinate from second set, and this subset of the full Cartesian product is called binary relation from A1 to A2. Let us see operations on crisp relations. Suppose there is two sets are given, that is R and S, defined on X, Cartesian product of X and Y. Then in union means or means conjunction. If R union S on X comma Y is equal to, you have to take the maximum element from R of XY and S of XY. Then Next operation is intersection. Intersection means and means disjunction. If there is R intersection S on x comma y, then you have to take the minimum element from R and S. What is the complement? That means if if there is relation on x comma y, then you have to minus that set from 1. Now see what is fuzzy relation. Fuzzy binary relation are generalization of crisp binary relation, and they allow various degrees of relationship between elements. Fuzzy relation is a fuzzy set defined on the Cartesian product of crisp set x1, x2 up to xn. Here n tuples x1, x2 up to xn may have varying degree of memberships within the relationship. The membership values indicate the strength of the relation between the tuples. Let us see example. If there is two set x and y, in x set consists the element like typhoid, viral and cold, and y set consists the element like running nose, high temperature and shivering. Then the fuzzy relation R is defined as in the matrix form given below. Let us see what is Cartesian product of fuzzy set or how to calculate the Cartesian product of fuzzy set. Suppose there is two fuzzy set, that is A and B. A is the fuzzy set on the universe of discourse X with membership function A of X such that small x belongs to capital X, and B is a fuzzy set on the universe of discourse Y with membership function B of Y such that small y belongs to capital Y. Then how to calculate the relation on given fuzzy set? Then R is equal to Cartesian product of A and B subset of Cartesian product of capital X and Y, where R has its membership function given by the formula. Membership function of R on x comma y is equal to membership function of Cartesian product A and B on x comma y is equal to me taking the minimum value between membership function A of x and membership function B of y. There is one example is given. There is fuzzy set A where consists the element 0.2 upon x1 plus 0.5 upon x2 plus 1 upon x3, and there is fuzzy set B which consists the element 0.3 upon y1 plus 0.9 upon y2. Let us consider in fuzzy set A consists the element only numerator, that is 0.2, 0.5 and 1, and fuzzy set B consists the element that is 0.3 and 0.9. And then next step is to calculate the Cartesian product A cross B, and then calculate the relation on Cartesian product in the matrix form. That means you have to take the minimum value from fuzzy set A and fuzzy set B. Let us see operations on fuzzy relation. Let R and S be the two fuzzy relation on A and B. Union, first operation is union. Membership function of R union S on A comma B is equal to take the maximum value from two relation. In intersection, you have to take the minimum value from the two relation. How to calculate the complement? You have to minus from 1 the given relation. And what is the containment? If R subset of S implies that membership function of relation R on AB less than equal to membership function of S on A comma B. Next topic is max-min composition. Suppose there is two relation is given, that is R and S. R is defined on Cartesian product of x and y, and S is defined on Cartesian product of Y and Z. Fuzzy maximum composition is defined in the terms of the set theoretic notation and membership function theoretic notation in the following manner. The maximum composition defined on relation R and S is denoted by T. T is equal to R into S, and this is the formula is given. First, you have to take the minimum value between two relations and then calculate the maximum value from two relation. Now we will stop here. In next lecture, we will see the features of membership function, types of fuzzy set, operations of fuzzy set, properties of fuzzy set, etc. Thank you.